Hi everyone, today I'm going to cook vegan and gluten-free oatmeal cookies. Let's do it! I'm going to combine half cup of walnut butter, or you can use almond butter or peanut butter. Add half cup of sugar. And stir that together. Okay. And my dry ingredients. 2 cups of oat flour, half teaspoon of baking soda, half teaspoon of baking powder, and pinch of salt. And 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and half teaspoon of vanilla powder. And 1/4 cup of any kind of milk. And stir all together. Okay. Cookies dough is done, and I take the dough and I roll it into balls. And I flatten it a little bit. Then place on a lined baking sheet. And meanwhile, I preheat in my oven 315 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake in the oven 10 to 12 minutes. Alright, it's done. And let them cool. Time to test. Look at that. It's chewy and crispy. These are really good. I hope you like this recipe. Thank you for watching and see you later.